Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, KITS Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create a shaft that is a revolved feature by using 2D profile. Now, first you can activate the partition. Click on Start, Partition, or shortcut key is Ctrl W. Now you can choose the widget plane in the specification tree. Widget plane show the front view of the 2D or 3D figures. Now click on sketch tool. Here the shaft feature of the partition workbench is used to create a revolving solid model. The sketch drawn in the sketcher workbench is revolved around a specific axis or reference line at a specified angle. You can find the correct estimation of the orientation and revolution of a particular sketch while creating a revolved solid model. This data can be used for further improvement of the solid model. Now let us see the steps to create a shaft in the CATIA V5 workbench. Now you can create a sketch in the sketcher workbench. In our case, I want to create one semicircle. Now I am choosing circle. Next, divide the circle in two halves by using line tool. Next, remove the unwanted curve by using quick trim. Finally, I have created a semicircle in the CATIA V5 workbench. Now exit from this workbench. The sketch drawn is displayed in the partition workbench. Now you can choose the shaft tool in the sketch based features. Now you can choose the shaft tool in the sketch based features. Another option is insert sketch based features and choose shaft tool. Now the shaft definition dialog box appears. It shows the limits, that is first angle. Now specify the angle of rotation for the sketch. In our case, the first angle is set to 360 degrees in the shaft definition dialog box. Otherwise you can enter the first angle value. Next one is profile or surface. Select the selection box in the profile or surface group and select the sketch that is added in the selection box. In our case, have selected default selected, that is sketch 1. Next one is select the axis. In the axis option along which the image will be rotated. Now click on preview. Now click the OK button in the shaft definition dialog box. The final solid model after adding the shaft feature is shown in figure. You can also add the thick profile, or you can also change the angle in the limits. I want to enter 185 degrees. Now click on preview. You can also add the thick profile and enter the thickness, that is I am entering 2 mm. Now click preview. You can also change the you can also enter the second angle. This rotation will be added in the another direction, that means anti-clockwise direction. uh, this This is the revolved solid model using shaft feature in the pod design workbench. Now click on OK. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.